Not about this entirely. I also kind of killed a god.
Hilarious.
No, serious. Ember. I mean, he was erasing the whole thing.
Wait, you can't be serious.
Yeah.
No.
No, I didn't want to. He had just killed his brother. He's going after Julia. He was genocidally insane.
You don't get it. Jesus. When I was a Niffin, I saw things. I saw everything from the beginning of time.
Alex, calm down.
No, I understand the way the universe works, Q. The wellspring, the hierarchies, the plumbing. I was inside it. Gods like Ember have parents, you idiot.
I'm not following.
The old gods, the creators of the universe, of all magic itself. To Ember, we're like toys, but to them, we're cells. When we're harmless, they ignore us, but when we become malignant, they amputate.
Now, if you're gonna use stones like this, it's imperative that... Excuse me? Excuse me, this...
Okay, wait, like, so there's an actual plumber? Like the Mario brother of the gods?
Yes.
And he can just...
I guarantee you he's doing it.
Attention. Please keep calm and follow all code breathing procedures. Please remember not to interact and safely gather all things before cautiously exiting. Attention. Please keep calm and follow.
Professor!
My Rusty!
All right, everyone, open your books to chapter 16.